Today we are going to blend the real king coconut with the flavors, and we could see how it's going to come, because this is something, a tropical thing which everyone will love it, and this is the first time I'm making it for you so that we can see how it comes. It's really a high grading thing that we are going to prepare for you, and I hope you will enjoy. I have taken the king coconut, one king coconut. I have taken the water and kept aside, and the tender king coconut flesh, which we have to take it. And whenever we want to have the king coconut, we always love to have the flesh also. So this flesh also should be taken with this. Then I have taken a cream and mint. We have taken the whatever you like, either coriander or mint or whatever you like, you can have it. First I'll put the tender flakes of the king coconut, and we want the king coconut to be used. The cream, when I say cream, double cream, whipped cream, ice cream, whatever you like you can use. So that's no problem in this. Now we will blend this nicely. We will blend it. It's nicely whipped. Right now I'm going to open this lovely and keep it. If my guests come, what I'm going to do first? Take the glass. Just dip it in water and sugar. You can see I colored the sugar and kept it so that it will be really nice. It has a design in that. Another thing that we have to do is, if you like, you can add a little salt. Salt gives a little flavor also, and the taste is also good. So we will do that. Lovely. Oh, you can see how it looks, how the cream is there. And I prefer a little mint. So you can use a little mint, finely chopped mint, or you can use coriander, mint. These are the two things that we use. That will be really nice. For the designing, a bit of this mint also I have put. Now my drink is ready. I'm sure you will love it. This drink, I could serve it. How will I serve it? I have already showed you once before how it should be served. When you are serving, you have to have it with the tissue. Keep it, and you give it to a person, whoever you want to give. You don't bring it with a tray and serve. You have to give it like this so that they will be happy to have this. So that with full-hearted, nicely you give them so that they enjoy the drink as well. And I have told you how good it is with all these ingredients that we have used, and king coconut and the flakes, all that gives a good combination. So you will also love it.